Got a huge email list in Excel and don't know how to manage it? In this video, I'll show you a super quick way to split your emails into smaller files, perfect for email marketing, freelancing, or just staying organized. Let's dive in and make your Excel email list management work a lot easier. In column A, we have around 4,000 plus email addresses. Your list might be bigger or smaller, and the number of emails you want in each separate file can also be different. Let's assume we want to create files with 300 email addresses each. First, we'll select the column, then press Alt-11 on the keyboard. This will open up an interface like this. Next, click on the View Code icon on the left side, and a window for writing code will appear. I've already prepared the script for you, so all we need to do is copy and paste the script. By changing the value of the chunk size variable, you can separate data from your bulk sheet according to your requirements. The download link for the script is provided in the video description. Finally, press the F5 key on your keyboard to run the script. Now, a dialog box will appear showing how many files have been created. If we check our folder, we'll see that each file contains the number of email addresses according to the value we set. Our job is done. Now, with these separate files, we can easily manage and work with our data. I hope you've understood the entire process. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more productivity tips. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want me to cover other tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.